When adopting drones for public safety or infrastructure, one of the main concerns is how to keep collected data secure and fully controlled by the organization. This was especially true for City of El Paso, with multiple departments sharing drone resources daily. Protecting sensitive information while still enabling collaboration was critical. To meet this need, the city implemented DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises, a secure containerized drone operation management system. This ensures all collected data stays inside the city-isolated AWS environment. At Technicalis, we partner with El Paso to stand up FlightHub 2 on-prem inside their AWS Government Cloud. We provision system resources, set access policies, and define secure storage volumes to match their operational needs. We then built a secure Linux server environment using Docker to host the host platform. Deployment involved generating a server fingerprint to license the software, configuring the network and storage settings, and launching it using container orchestration. We have also preloaded offline base maps, elevation layers to ensure precise georeferencing. Since the user interface closely mirrors DJI's public cloud version of FlightHub 2, teams transition seamlessly without any disruptions. After deployment, all operational data, including media, flight logs, device firmware files, and live streams, is securely stored in Min.io object storage, fully controlled by the city. Unlike the public version of FlightHub 2, the on-prem solution uses its own offline streaming service and storage with performance limited only by server capacity. This makes it ideal for large-scale programs like El Paso's 20-plus dock infrastructure, while preserving advanced features like local mapping and 3D modeling. Another great value came through integration using OAuth 2.0 and two-factor authentication. City staff securely access FlightHub 2 on-prem with existing credentials, keeping everything traceable and centrally managed. We also enabled MQTT bridging, which shares real-time telemetry, dock status, and mission activity with other city systems, like emergency response dashboards, GIS platforms, or custom command centers. This setup allows even non-aviation departments to access critical operation insights without needing direct control over the drone platform. By deploying DJI FlightHub 2 on-premises within their own infrastructure, the Technicalis team enabled the City of El Paso to establish a secure and scalable drone program with complete data control, seamless integration, and full compliance.